Well, if the topsy-turvy weather wasn't bad enough, everyone knows that today happens to be the first payday since the big demonetization drive that was announced by the Prime Minister. So for the people of Chennai, it wasn't just anxiety about getting to banks, getting to ATMs, to pull out money, to pay salaries of domestic staff, etc. It was braving the weather as well, especially the uncertainty over the weather. I went out shortly after landing in Chennai earlier today to get you this ground report on people facing the weather and the crowds and the lines and the uncertainty to pull out the money that's theirs. On a muggy, pretty semi-cyclonic day here in the beautiful city of Chennai, it's a sight that would be usual all across the country. Long lines outside ATMs as cash is brought in. Remember, this is the first payday since the big demonetization move by the Prime Minister. Long lines like these at ATMs, much more orderly than in many other parts of the country, because Chennai and Chennaiites are well known to actually plan their lives a little better. So many of these people may have actually pulled out cash through the last 20 to 25 days before payday. So it's not really a chaotic scene, as you can see here. We've got some people here who we're actually going to speak to because they've agreed to speak to us about how things have actually panned out as far as payday chaos is concerned and preparations of demonetization are concerned. Sir, payday, the first payday since the demonetization move, were you scared about big lines, big chaos? How did you really plan for it?
So definitely I was scared about the queues and everything, because from past 20 days I was only dependent on the online transaction, but now I really need money for even the small things. So I got my salary 2 days back and I don't have any money right now. Even if yesterday I can share you my experience with, then the thing was that twice I tried to take out the money from the ATM. Twice the money got deducted from the account, but I never got the cash in hand.
You didn't get the cash, yeah.
So that's the problem that we are facing.
Okay. Ma'am, we're seeing huge amounts of lines and a lot of chaos in other parts of the country. I just landed in from Delhi, where there's a lot of chaos. Here it seems to be much more orderly. People are standing in lines. Has the planning been better in this city? What have you faced?
I think there were lines everywhere. In fact, last week when I was in Bombay, I think I could get some cash out only out of one ATM out of the 6 ATMs that are in my locality.
Yeah.
But people were very patient, and that's what I see over here as well. So I think people have understood that, okay, they have to be patient to get some money out.
There's no choice.
There is no choice.
Right. But what has your personal experience been? Has it been something you've supported? You're willing to go by it even though there's no choice?
I do not know what good will come out of it. That's something that we'll have to wait and watch. But I think the implementation could have been far better. I don't think I like it right now,
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay. So a lot of people are saying that it's a good idea with bad implementation. We've got another person who's also been standing in the queue for quite a long time, actually, who's actually willing to speak to us. What has your experience been like? Is there still a lot of uncertainty? Indians are not used to standing in such long lines at
Yes.
ATMs.
Yes.
We stand in queues, but in
Yeah.
ATMs, this is something new for us.
Yes, I mean, it looks like it's for the overall good of the country, and it's getting better. I mean, this ATM was not even working for so many days now. Now, this is working, and a lot of other ATMs that are working now. So there's money inflow that is there. Yes, there's a problem of waiting in the queue for quite a long time and all that, but it's okay. It's still fine. It's much more orderly now. People are getting used to the entire. I'm not saying it's a good experience, but it's still much more better now.
What about paying your domestic staff, maids, drivers? All of those people need to be paid. I can tell you that in Delhi, a lot of people are facing a nightmare about how much cash they can actually pull out. How have you dealt with all of that?
Okay, I think what we did is we paid a little extra to the milkman because we could only pay him 2,000 or more in one shot. So we'll adjust it the next month. That's what we did with the newspaper guy also. And the other transactions are definitely paid by our credit cards. So we shop in departmental stores, supermarkets. So they are accepting cards, and that's been a blessing that we've been using them.
Internet penetration is far more in the south than in the rest of the country. So is there a sense that Chennaiites, people in Chennai and the south, far more prepared for this kind of thing? You know, Paytm, digital transactions, much more, there's greater penetration of that in the south?
Sure. I'll give you my experience that I paid my milkman through Paytm and he was happy with it. So he was fine with paying with that, through e-wallet transaction.
Yeah.
And after that, even my grocery guy, he didn't have any machine. He has applied for it, and because there is a long work at the banks also, so he'll get the machine after a few days. But
Yeah.
right now he's noting down all the money. He's giving me credit. So he's telling me I've noted down 60 rupees, 40 rupees per day. So after he said whenever you have cash you can pay me.
Right.
And after a few days we will have those machines. So I can swipe whatever amount of money which is
So
there.
that is amazing. There is an adaptive spirit to cities in the country. People like this lady here just said, there is a sense that there is no choice. You'd better adapt or you will actually suffer. Here at one of many ATMs in the city of Chennai, things have calmed down. Cash is there at ATMs like people have been telling us, and things could actually get better. It's a muggy, drizzly day here in Chennai with Cyclone Nada just off the Tamil Nadu coast at this point of time, but the chaos is far less in this city perhaps compared to many others. With Daniel in Chennai, this is Shiv Arur for India Today.